Hi, I'm Jason. If Instagram Reels is where you publish first, you don't need to manually download every reel and upload it again onto YouTube Shorts and TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to automatically publish Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts and TikTok using repurpose.io. Here's what we'll be covering. First, I'll be showing you how to connect your accounts. Then I'll be showing you how to create the workflow to configure everything, and I'll also be showing you how to set up the titles and captions. By the way, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up to repurpose.io for completely free, as they offer a 14-day free trial period which will allow you to publish up to 10 videos for completely free. Now let's dive in. Once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to repurpose.io homepage. From here, you're going to tap on Start Automating for free, and you're going to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Connections. This is where you'll be able to connect your social media accounts. And you're going to tap on Add New Connection in the top right-hand corner. Then from there, you're going to select Instagram, and you're going to connect your Instagram account. Keep in mind your Instagram account needs to be a business account or a professional creator account. So you can quickly adjust that. If it is at the moment just a regular Instagram account, you can adjust that by going into your settings. Once you have adjusted that, you're just going to tap on connect right here, and you can add in the information. So you're just going to sign in. After you have done that, you're going to tap on YouTube. And then from there, you can quickly tap on connect and you'll be able to connect your YouTube account. Then you're going to tap on TikTok. And from here, you're just going to tap on connect and you'll be able to connect your TikTok account. And with repurpose.io, you can see that you'll be able, if you were to go onto their paid plan, to connect numerous social media platforms. After you have connected it, the next thing I want you to do is set up the workflow. And the workflow is basically the process how you automate everything. So you're going to tap on Create Workflow in the top left hand corner. After you have selected Create Workflow, this is where you'll be able to tell repurpose.io where to take the content from and where to republish it. So for this example, we're going to be selecting Instagram as our source. So you'll select Instagram and you're going to tap on your Instagram account. And by the way, you can see that you have different options. You can choose Reels, Stories, and also Photos. But we're going to be selecting Reels for this example. Then we're going to be selecting, for example, TikTok. Then you're going to select your TikTok account. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Create Workflow. So from now on, whenever I post an Instagram Reel, it is automatically going to be pushed to TikTok. Now we're going to go back and we're going to set up a second connection, and this second connection will be pushing our Instagram Reels to YouTube Shorts. So we're going to select Instagram once more, select our Instagram account. Then from there we're going to select YouTube, and you're going to select your YouTube account. After you have done that, you can see right there you have video type. You can just select Shorts. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Create Workflow. And just like that, you have now automated the process. What I want you to do next is, once you're on the workflow page, next thing you're going to do is you're going to tap right here on the three dots and you're going to simply select Settings. After you have selected Settings, from here you have a few editing options. For example, you can choose to skip videos containing a particular hashtag or keyword. You can also choose to only publish videos containing these hashtags or keyword, or you could choose to exclude trial reels or only include trial reels. You have different options you can choose from. Then you're going to select YouTube, which would be the destination in this case, and you can choose to remove Instagram hashtags when reposting to YouTube. And then from there you can see replace with these hashtags. You could add in the hashtags right there. You can also see the option automatically publish a custom comment for each video. So you could simply enable this if you want. And from there you could add the first comment. Then you're going to tap on content. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto repurpose.io. You'll be able to use their resizing feature. For example, you can select vertical video. So that means that you'll be able to choose that each video that you upload, even if you were to upload it, for example, in a different dimension, repurpose.io is going to resize it for a vertical video. And with this option, you can also set up your own predefined templates. For example, the headline text color. You can also scroll down and you could add a custom text watermark if you want. And you can scroll down, and from there you can also add an intro file or an outro file if you want. And you can see auto trim videos that appear as YouTube shorts. So you can select this option, and then from there you can select the preferred duration. You have numerous editing options you can choose from. Now if you were to select advanced, this is where you'll be able to choose the default language, the default audio language, and also the visibility and so on. You can also choose to upload thumbnail to YouTube. You can choose to upload subtitle file to YouTube also. And if we were to select publish, with repurpose.io you are given two options. You can either choose for it to be automated, as you can see right here, so it will repurpose content as soon as possible, or if it is a case that you would like to schedule it, you can do that. So you could select repurpose content based on schedule. Then from there you can scroll down and you can select, for example, post after a specific date. And then you can choose a specific date. So for example, let's say you don't want to choose posts that you created long ago. You can select a specific date right here, and then you can choose the type of post that you like to add, or you can simply select all posts. Then you can scroll down, and from here you can set up your schedule. So whether you like to post 5 times per day or 1 time or 2 times, you can do that. Then you can select the allotted times that you would like it to be posted, as you can see right there. But I'm going to be selecting repurpose content as soon as possible. Then you're going to tap on save. After you have done that, the next thing I want you to do is do the same thing for example, Instagram to TikTok. So you're going to tap right here on the 3 dots, and you're going to tap on settings. After you have done that, you again can choose whether you like to skip videos containing a particular hashtag. Then you can also tap on TikTok destination, and you can choose to remove a particular hashtag if you want. And you can also tap here on content, and this is where you'll be able to set up the resizing if you want. So I'm going to choose resizing right there, and you're going to tap on save. And you can also tap on publish, and this is where you can choose whether you like for it to publish automatically, or you would like, for example, to set up a schedule. Once you have done that, let's say for example we were to go into Instagram. Now I'm going to be uploading a reel. So I'll simply go over to the left hand menu option, and I'm going to select create. And I'm just going to select post right here, and I'm going to tap on select from computer. Once I've selected the video, I'm going to tap on next. Then from there you could choose the cover photo, and I'm just going to select next once more. After I've done that, I'm going to add in a quick caption, and I'm just going to tap on share. Now that I've done that and I've shared it, in a few minutes it is going to be added on Instagram, and then this is going to be automatically added to my YouTube shorts, and it will also be shared onto TikTok using repurpose.io. So just give it a few seconds to load up, and once it has been published on Instagram, it automatically will be published on the other 2 platforms. Now that it has been published, if I were to go back into repurpose.io, you can see that you're now seeing 1 right here. That means that the 1 video that I've published. And if I were to select view workflow, you can see that it is currently processing to publish it. So you can see publish in progress. And you can see from the message at the top, all content published on Instagram Reels on or after August 12, which is the time of doing this video, will be automatically repurposed to YouTube Shorts within 2 hours. Now let's talk about pricing. With repurpose.io, while you can get started for completely free, your starter plan begins at $35 per month, and with that you'll be able to connect 3 social media accounts. So for example, you can connect your 3 Instagram accounts, 3 TikTok account, 3 Pinterest account, whichever social media platform you have, you'll be able to connect up to 3 accounts for each social media platform. Then you could go onto the Pro plan for $79 per month. With this, you'll be able to connect up to 10 social media accounts. So for example, 10 Instagram account, 10 TikTok account, 10 YouTube account. Then you have the agency option, which will allow you to connect up to 25 accounts for each social media network. And again, I've included links in the pinned comment and description that you can use to try it out. Thanks for watching.